game called Stud Simulator. It's so good and so fun to play. And I hope you play this because this is so awesome, guys. At this moment, I'm just grinding for money because it's Halloween update in 10 p.m. I will cut the video for now, guys. So in this part, I'm checking the shop of what can I buy in the shop. I'll cut the video because I want to buy. I'll be grinding to buy the accessories for a few minutes, but so fast to grind. Just grind bones. I recommend bones. So after getting that, I buy my new accessories. So that's all. Bye. Subscribe.